Yes.
It's Friday, July 21st, and I am shortly on my way to Raleigh to pick up Ann Weaver, so that will be exciting. Ready for a fun and interesting and learning weekend ahead. So if you're taking classes with her, I hope you will thoroughly enjoy it. Remember, tomorrow is at the Baptist Church if you are signed up for classes tomorrow, because we are open here and no room for 15 people in a class. All right, we got a reorder in today. Love, love, love these dryer balls. They are from Friend Sheep, and I sell them in groups of 1 or 3 or 6. So they are this adorable ladybug. Love, love, love the ladybug. This is the panda. So cute. So cute. Here we have the pig. Love the little pig. Love, love, love the bumblebee. Love the bumblebee. Love the penguin. And love the heart. I also got in pastels and purples and blues, so there's many multicolored, single colored, if you want to mix and match and make a nice little gift bundle. It's a great way to give a gift. So if you purchase one, it's $6.50. If you purchase 3, it's $18.50. And if you purchase 6, it's $35. All right, so cute. Oh my gosh, these two are the best. Crazy. I keep them in my dryer, 3 of them, every day, over and over and over for gazillions of dryer loads. All right. Have a great evening. Busy tomorrow. I'm not sure I'll get a video in with Ann and all of her classes. We will also be down here Sunday. Don't forget, Sunday, we are going to be open to all of you at 4 o'clock for her trunk show, and she will be here to chat. We'll have some wine and some, conversation. It'll be very fun from 4 to 6. That's on Sunday. All right. Have a lovely, lovely weekend. We will be busy, busy, busy. And then next week is kids camp. Crazy. And little Tyler went home today, so he's back where he needs to be, getting better every day. So, all right. That's the update. I'll see you when I see you, but it'll probably be Monday.